Welcome to our new conversation video. Our today's conversation between two friends. They talking about their daily life. The boy is beginner and the girl is native speakers. I use beginner voice because you can easily identify pronunciation difference. That help you a lot your spoken English journey and make you fluent in English. So let's start it and always follow female speakers and practice this.
Hey Sarah, how was your weekend?
Hey, Tom. It was great. Thanks. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
Nice. Mine was pretty chill. I caught up on some Netflix shows and did some grocery shopping. Did you see the new episode of that series we have been watching?
Oh, yeah, I did. It was intense, right? I can't wait for the next one. By the way, have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Not yet, but I have heard good things about it. Maybe we should check it out this weekend.
Definitely. That sounds like a plan. Oh, and speaking of plans, are we still on for the movie night on Friday?
Absolutely. I'll bring the popcorn this time. Can't wait to hang out and relax.
Awesome. It's a date then. See you on Friday. Tom.
See you, Sarah. Take care.
Our first session end here, and we will move to our second conversation. I hope you are practicing with our native speakers. I mean female speakers. So, let's jump to our next session.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hi, Jack. I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I am doing well, thanks. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yeah, I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic and played some games. What about you?
That sounds nice. I just stayed home and watched some movies. Have you seen the new superhero movie yet?
Not yet, but I really want to. Maybe we can go see it together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan it for next weekend. Oh, by the way, did you finish reading that book I lent you?
Not yet. Sorry. I've been busy with schoolwork. But I'll make sure to finish it soon.
No worries. Take your time. Anyway, I have to run now. See you tomorrow at school, Emma.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Jack, take care. Can you realize it with your real life if you can't? Don't worry. Think in English like this conversation and practice. Now we will go our third conversation. Keep practicing.
Hey there, how's your day going?
Hi, Jack. It's been pretty good. Thanks. Just had a busy morning with classes. How about you?
Not bad. Just finished a project for English class. Say, did you hear about the new cafe that opened downtown?
Oh, yeah. I saw it on my way to school this morning. It looks cozy. We should go check it out sometime.
Definitely. Maybe we can grab a coffee there after school one day this week.
Sounds like a plan, though. And speaking of plans, are you still up for studying together for the math test next week?
Absolutely. Let's meet up at the library on Wednesday afternoon. We can go over the practice problems together.
Perfect. I'll make sure to bring my notes. Thanks, Jack.
No problem, Emma. We have got this. Alright, I better get going. See you in class tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Jack, have a great rest of your day. Are you practicing? Is this video helpful for you? Feel free to comment, how can I help you more better? Let's jump on third conversation. Keep practicing.
Hey Sarah, how was your weekend?
Hi, Mark. It was great. Thanks for asking. I finally tried out that new Thai restaurant in town. The food was amazing.
That sounds delicious. I have been meaning to check it out. Did you do anything else besides eating out?
Yeah, I also went to a concert on Saturday night. It was so much fun. Have you been to any good concerts recently?
Not really, but I did go hiking in the mountains. The views were breathtaking. Speaking of outdoor activities, have you ever tried rock climbing?
No, I haven't, but it sounds exciting. Maybe we could try it together sometime. Oh, and I've been meaning to ask. Have you watched the latest episode of that new TV series?
Actually, I haven't had the chance yet. I have been watching a different show, but I will definitely catch up on it soon. By the way, have you seen the news about the upcoming election?
Yeah, I've been keeping up with it. It's going to be an interesting race. Speaking of news, did you hear about the new environmental initiative in our city?
No, I don't. What's it about?
They're planning to implement more bike lanes and promote public transportation to reduce carbon emissions. It's a step in the right direction for our city's sustainability efforts.
That's fantastic news. I am all for anything that helps the environment. Thanks for sharing, Sarah.
Anytime, Mark. It's always good to stay informed about what's happening in our community. So, what's new with you?
Not much, just trying to stay busy with work and hobbies. Hey, speaking of hobbies, have you tried any new recipes lately? I'm looking for some dinner ideas.
Funny you should ask. I just tried making homemade sushi last night. It was a bit tricky, but turned out pretty tasty. I can share the recipe with you if you're interested.
That would be awesome, Sarah. Thanks. I will definitely give it a try. Alright, I should probably get going now. But let's catch up again soon. Okay?
Definitely. Mark, take care and have a great day. We have completed our fourth part of this conversation. I think all of you are practicing English with us, and I also think your English level rapidly growing. So, like the video and do subscribe our channel for more interesting content. Let's jump to the fifth part.
Hi there, how's everything going with you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I've been keeping busy with work and some personal projects. What about you?
Same here. Work has been keeping me occupied. But hey, have you heard about the new movie that has just came out?
Yeah, I saw the trailer for it. It looks really interesting. We should definitely plan a movie night to go watch it together.
Absolutely. Let's make it happen this weekend. Oh, by the way, have you started reading that book I recommended?
Not yet. I haven't had the chance to pick it up. But it's on my list. Speaking of books, have you read anything good lately?
Yeah, I recently finished a thriller novel that kept me on the edge of my seat. It was so gripping. I can lend it to you if you are interested.
That sounds great. I'm always looking for new books to read. Thanks for offering. So, have you made any plans for the upcoming holiday?
Not yet, but I was thinking of taking a short trip somewhere nearby. Maybe a weekend getaway to the beach of the mountains.
That sounds like a perfect way to unwind and recharge. Count me in if you need a travel buddy. Oh, and speaking of travel, have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I have been fortunate enough to visit a few countries in Europe. It was an amazing experience exploring different cultures and cuisines.
That sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit Europe, especially Italy and France. Maybe we can plan a trip together someday.
That would be fantastic. Let's start saving up and make it happen. Alright, I should probably get going now, but let's catch up again soon. Okay?
Definitely. Take care and have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video. Keep practicing in your daily life and do subscribe to get any updates.